1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 divided 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. How do you solve this? So as per the order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So this addition will not be solved first because it is at the end, subtraction is at the last. Before that we have division and multiplication. In PEMDAS it is given multiplication and then division. But what if you follow PEMDAS, which is the same rule, parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In that case, D is written first and then there is M. We don't want to confuse ourselves. Therefore, remember that these two are grouped together. Multiplication, division and division, multiplication, they have equal priority. And therefore, we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. So this choice of left to right is not between addition and division. Whenever there is addition and division, division will always have the priority. Again, this choice is not between multiplication or subtraction or multiplication or addition. This choice is between division and multiplication. Now from left to right, we see from here, we have division first because this addition will always be after division or multiplication. So we will solve it like this: 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. This division gets converted into multiplication and the number after that then gets inverted. So it is now 2 and then times 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now this and this gets cancelled. Now we have 1 upon 2 plus 1 times 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. 1 times 1 upon 2 will be 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Now plus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 will get cancelled because we will minus, subtract it and it will be 0. So answer will be 1 upon 2. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.